Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now no doubt you have heard a lot about it in the last few days. It's currently a very powerful phone and it's got a lot of upgrades and new features on the phone. But let's just unbox for now. I'm just going to cut it open. Now this package comes with a free earbuds, so it's Samsung Galaxy earbuds, and it's worth around $250 Australians. So here it is, the earbuds. We're going to unbox them separately. So I'm just going to unbox this phone right now. I can't really wait. It's got a lot of upgrades with this one compared to my S9 Plus. So here's the box. So it comes with a seal on the side here. And this is 128 gigabyte. There's a bigger one. So that's just the side of the box there, and we're just gonna cut open this one. There's also a sticker tape over here on the side. So there it is. It sits right on top. So mine is pure black, so you can see it's nice and smooth. There's no plastic cover on this one, or maybe there is. We're just gonna have a look. So there it is. There is a piece of information right here. So that's the phone right there. There's a plastic film cover that you can pull out. So feel like glass at the back here. You can feel it's like glass. It's not very heavy, weight around 175 grams. So there's buttons over here. So that's the top. We'll go through the phone in a minute. So let's see what else is in the box. So it comes with a fast charger. So this is USB fast charger 2.0. Now it shows here this one have an output of 2 amp. So pretty much the same as the previous charger. Then you got the smart switch right here, allowing you to easily transfer file from older Android mobile phone or from an iPhone over. Now you got the USB cables. So here's the USB cables. That's the head there. Then you got the other end right here. It's even got where it's made from Vietnam as well down here. So this whole thing, this whole assembly is all made in Vietnam. Even the charger, it shows it made in Vietnam as well right here. Okay, let's see the headphone. Just gonna open it up. How you can open this one without ripping it apart. Feel like you need to kind of like pull out. Yep, you need to pull out like this, and it kind of come off like that. Just need to do it hard and it come off. And there it is. And it's a bit sticky here. You just need to kind of like drag it up a little bit. And that's the headphone right there. I'm just gonna take it out so you can see it. And then here it is. So that's the AKG headphone. So that's everything inside the box. Okay, we can also start the device as well. So let's start up and have a look. If it is a film cover the screen as well right here. So we can peel it off. It's almost like a screen protector. So until you have a screen protector or tempered glass. You might as well just leave this on, so that will protect the screen for now. So a lot of things has changed on the Samsung Galaxy S10. It's got more cameras, 2 at the front, 3 at the back, and the upgraded cameras.
Accessibility mode. Continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
So it's got a lot of even the fingerprint now moves to the front on the screen. So no longer do you use the fingerprint scanner at the back. It is now at the front. Down here, the button stays the same. We've got the volume, the Bixby key, the side key. Now there are the SIM trays at the top here, so stays the same. This is a single SIM, some model, some variant. You can get dual SIM on your S10 Plus. Now you can see the upgrade the screen here, so it goes all the way, pretty much like the iPhone, but there's no notch at the top here. It goes all the way around the screen. Another pretty crap things about this is like the 2 cameras right here. You're always going to see like the black dots, so it kind of like draws your attention to this when you're watching a movie or something. I suppose maybe when we watch a movie that will allow us to move it in a little bit. Otherwise, that 2 dots is going to be really annoying, cover parts of the screen. So the phone has more battery powers, and with the better intelligence, it will adapt to your usage. So pretty much you can use this phone for the whole day with the battery capacity 4000 milliamps. So we're just going to quickly skip everything and we go to the main home screen. And there it is from the home screen. Camera, that's the back camera right there. The camera will give you wide angle as well, from what I read. And with the intelligent software, will adapt to the environment and give you better photos using the software corrections. And that's with the camera, and the phone is really also optimized for playing games. So we try to install a couple of games and test it out. It has a better GPU, better CPU, better RAM, more RAM to run the phone. And yeah, there's quite a lot of features to talk about it, and I will cover it in the next in the future videos, and you can see what are the features on this phone and how we can better use them from now to for the next 2 years. Hopefully it can last more than 2 years with this powerful device. Thank you for watching this unboxing videos. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.